When it's time to replace your wiper blades, an authorized dealer can provide you with the right set for your vehicle. And you can install them yourself in just a few minutes. To remove a windshield wiper blade, first, raise it off the glass by lifting the wiper arm to the full up position. Press the release button on the blade and lift it up to remove it from the arm. Position the replacement wiper blade above the arm and insert it into the housing until it snaps into place. Now just lower the wiper blade onto the glass and repeat the process for the other side. To replace the rear wiper blade, carefully lift the arm off the glass. Tilt the lower end of the blade away from the arm to unsnap it from the pivot pin in the blade holder. Install the replacement wiper blade's pivot pin into the blade holder and press the blade until it snaps into place. Finally, lower the wiper blade onto the glass. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.